Hi guys, welcome back to Izu and Family. Today I'm gonna show you the summer scrapbook I finished the last year. Hope you like it. Now let's watch. My summer scrapbook. This is my leaf printing. This is collecting shells in the beach. Learning traffic rules with your parents. Playing lots of games with my daddy's favorite game. I'm playing with my daddy snake and ladder. I'm making an ID card. And I'm doing workout times. Reading a story with my mommy. And I'm feeding my fish. I'm feeding the fish. This is all my photos. And this is me helping my mommy fold dresses. Okay. This is me eating my favorite food. And oops. It's me singing in the car. Dancing in the car. Okay, now next. Okay. It is. I'm drawing my favorite cartoon. Robot car Polly. And what else? It's my mommy taking up photos again. It's me taking a sunroof winds. It's me being angry at my mommy. It's me collecting shells. I'm at the park, and this is I'm tasting. I'm being shy. I'm eating Capsy, and I'm laughing. And there's a little something right over there. And I'm eating again. Okay.